Do you crave credit freedom in your academic journey? Let's talk about the Academic Bank of Credits, or ABC, a unique initiative that's revolutionizing the world of education. ABC is a credit-based education system that allows you to earn, accumulate, and redeem academic credits from various institutions. It gives you the flexibility to learn at your own pace and even transfer between institutions. Now, you're not just tied to one university, but you have the freedom to explore and learn from multiple places. Imagine being able to tailor your education based on your interests and aspirations. That's the power of ABC. It's like having your very own academic passport, opening doors to endless opportunities. The key to this passport? Your ABC ID. This unique identifier is your gateway to academic freedom. So remember, unlocking your ABC ID is just a few clicks away. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into how to unlock your ABC ID in the next scene. Ready to unlock your academic freedom? Let's start with the first step. Our journey begins with a visit to a place called DigiLocker. Now you might be wondering, what's DigiLocker? Well, it's a digital platform by the Government of India for the issuance and verification of documents. It's like your personal locker but in the digital world. To unlock your Academic Bank of Credits, or ABC ID, we need to link your Aadhaar with the DigiLocker. Aadhaar, as you may know, is your unique identification number. Linking it to your DigiLocker account helps in establishing your identity and ensuring the authenticity of your documents. Now, the process of linking is quite straightforward. Once you're on the DigiLocker platform, you'll be prompted to enter your Aadhaar number. After entering it, you'll receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter this OTP and voila, your Aadhaar is linked, one step closer to unlocking your ABC ID. Moving on to the final step to unlock your ABC ID. Now that your Aadhaar is linked with DigiLocker, it's time to select your university. Why is this important, you ask? Well, the university you choose will be the repository of your academic credits, so make sure you select the correct one. After selecting your university, the final step is generating your unique ABC ID. This ID is your passport to academic freedom. It's a unique identifier that allows you to access, accumulate, and transfer academic credits seamlessly. But how is this ID generated? Well, once you've selected your university, a prompt will appear asking you to generate your ABC ID. All you need to do is click on Generate. The system then creates a unique ID, linking it to your Aadhaar and university. And voila, your ABC ID is now unlocked. You're now ready to embark on your journey towards credit freedom. Enjoy the